मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम चैप्टर 2 में जो कुछ भी शॉर्ट आंसर्स में छूट गए थे एक दो क्वेश्चन, तो पहले हम उसे कंप्लीट करेंगे, फिर हम लॉन्ग आंसर्स को देखेंगे। फर्स्ट जो 6 नंबर पे था वो है वाई इज़ रफेज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस एज बिकॉज इज दिस helps our body get rid of undigested food and thereby prevents constipation. It can absorb great amount of water and helps retain water in the body. Which component of food may be lacking in the diet of following people? A child suffering from kwashiorkor. Answer: lack of protein-rich food. A person suffering from scurvy, lack of vitamin, especially vitamin C. A person suffering from rickets, lack of vitamin, especially vitamin D. A person suffering from anemia, lack of mineral. Long answer questions. What are the symptoms of marasmus? Symptoms of marasmus are as follows: sunken eyes, body becomes very lean and thin, so a child is unable to move. Skin becomes dry, thin and wrinkled. Ribs become prominent, etc. What is obesity? What are its causes? Overeating of fat-rich foods led to an overweight condition called obesity. Its causes are eating food items which contain a large amount of fats and sugar, avoiding physical activities which causes accumulation of fats in the body. Sometimes it may be genetical, etc. What are deficiency diseases? Name 3 deficiency diseases and also write their causes and symptoms. Diseases that are caused due to the lack of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals or vitamin in our diet are called deficiency diseases. Kwashiorkor. Its symptoms are stunted growth, skin becomes dry and scaly, bulging eyes, cause lack of protein-rich diet. Marasmus. Its symptoms are sunken eyes, skin becomes dry, thin and wrinkled, ribs become very prominent, etc. Cause lack of protein, carbohydrates and fats in diet. Anemia. Its symptoms are weakness and fatigue, loss of weight, pale skin, loss of appetite, etc. Cause lack of mineral, especially iron. Why is water important in our diet? Water is very important in our diet because it regulates the temperature of our body by sweating. It helps our body absorb nutrients from the food we eat. It transports substances and nutrients inside our body, etc. If a child is suffering from rickets, which part of the body is affected? If a child is suffering from rickets, bones are affected. His her bowed legs due to malformation of legs bones and may suffer from pain in bones. तो आज के लिए इतना ही था। नेक्स्ट जो हमारा वीडियो होगा तो हम चैप्टर 3 को स्टार्ट करेंगे। थैंक यू।